In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the "Your clock is ahead behind" error in Google Chrome while browsing. This error can be frustrating as it often pops up unexpectedly and disrupts your browsing experience. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you will have the know-how to resolve this issue in just a few simple steps. First, it's important to understand why this error occurs. Essentially, Chrome uses your computer's clock to help verify the security certificates of websites. If the time is significantly off, you may encounter this error. Let's go ahead and fix it. Start by checking the time and date settings on your computer. Head over to the bottom right corner of your screen where you usually see the time displayed. Right-click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Adjust Date Time. This will bring up a window where you can see your current settings. Make sure the Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically options are turned on. This ensures that your system keeps the clock in sync with Microsoft's internet server, which should correct most discrepancies. If the settings are already on and you're still seeing the error, try toggling these settings off, wait a few seconds, and then toggle them back on. Doing this can refresh your configuration and align your computer's time with the online server. Next, we should check whether your device has the latest Windows updates. Outdated software can sometimes lead to issues like these. To check for updates, go to the Start menu, type Update, and select Check for Updates. Follow the prompts to download and install any pending updates, which could include important bug fixes and improvements. For those running security software, such as antivirus programs, it's also worth looking into whether they have any specific time settings. Open up your antivirus software and look through the settings to ensure nothing is interfering with how your computer manages time and date. Sometimes certain protective features can accidentally adjust your system settings. If you've followed these steps and still find yourself facing the error, consider clearing your browsing data. Open Chrome, click on the three dots in the top right corner, navigate to More Tools, and select Clear Browsing Data. Focus on clearing your cookies and cached files, which often resolves minor discrepancies and issues with browsing. Hopefully, by following these instructions, you've successfully got your Chrome back on track. If the problem persists, you may want to consult your system's support resources or explore forums for more specific issues related to your device and browser settings. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Happy browsing!